Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my Let's Play of Crusader Kings 2, where we're going for Antioch. We are actually going to mend the Great Schism, and then recreate Rome, and do other things. Wait, rebels are actually getting support. Oh yeah, Gotta do this quick. No one to raise there, no one to raise there. Bringing the people from as close as I can. Because I'm going to have to quick siege that. I was thinking it was going to have to be quick anyway. But it's going to have to be really, really sudden quick now. Now that we've got the other larger people getting involved. Let her rot. You go and help him, and then come this way. Okay, that's a battle won. It's not as many as I would like, but we're going to quick siege it anyway. And again. In 7 days. Go on, autosave, damn you! They're already assaulting. Good, this should be 100%. Sue for peace, offer peace, enforce demands. Hey! We're closer to mending the Great Schism. In fact, we go over to here, mend the Great Schism. We have Antioch ticked off, so that's 2. Now just for Jerusalem, Alexandria, and Rome itself. In fact, fabricate a claim. This is what you should be doing. Fabricate claim on the papacy. Oh yeah, you're my retinue. Start making your way down here. You, on the other hand, will drop them people. Can actually raise up another little bit of retinue, so that's good. Come here. The Rangian Guard is being really bulked out with them now. Let's see, religious map. Yeah, I've got to start spreading that Orthodox a bit more. Jewish! Wait, there's an independent Jewish ruler. You're a Jew? You're a Jew! I want to marry into that family now. See, you're alive. Do I have a truce with you? God, that's annoying. I think we go for Tripoli. Nearby Sunnis may intervene, but it's fine. I can actually call in an ally to this one. King Boris the Lionheart. Who can say no to inviting King Boris the Lionheart into... Oh, crap, didn't give away. And need to find someone to give away to that. Let's give a very high intrigue person. 18. Is 18 an improvement? 18 is a bit of an improvement. I thought I gave like lots of land to learned 20 people. Let's give it away to another learned person then. Ruler, no. Grant landed title. County of Antioch, include lower. I gave land away to learned people. Why can't I appoint them here? I guess they have to be in control of the actual bishop trees or something like that. Good old Boris. Yeah, that's in range for quick siege. Lots of lecture of piety. Oh, with the city back under East Rome's control, the Patriarchy of Antioch has been properly restored as one of the episode seals of the Patriarchy in the Eastern Orthodox Church. It was originally founded by Saint Peter, the apostle who was regarded as a first pope by the Western Catholic Church. Yeah, quick siege it. Let her rot. Domain size too big. What did I just... Homes. Okay, yeah. So give away homes. To a very high learned character. Actually, I was giving away land to very high intrigue people, wasn't I? Well, at least these very high intrigue people are going to like me. Maybe they're still not showing up, though. Yeah, I was giving land away to very high intrigue people. And none of you caught it. I didn't see anything. Didn't see anything in the chat. I wonder if the YouTubers caught it. At 43%. Come down to this bit. Don't run away. Oh, people, stop dying. What did I inherit this time? Hams. Is this because I gave land to very intriguous people? They're killing each other or something. Oh, we can invest in tech. Not the tech I want. Let's take legalism up because that's domain size. Unfortunately, it didn't tick anything. As for you... Castle infrastructure is going to be cheap, and it's going to take away the ticky thing because, yeah, it only shows you it when you have literally everything in there. Screw it. Kill him first. Then come down here. Now you guys come down here and help. Merge up. There we go. I keep hearing the noise of like merging things up and thinking it's someone else has followed. I said come down here. I said merge. Be together. Quick siege it. 20 to 1 again. Not quite 10 to 1. To the Honourable Basilicas, peace be with you. We surrender under these terms. Basilicas gains piety from war contributions. I accept. Yeah, good. That is the correct one. I'm not too sure if you're offering the right peace, but I'm going to take it just to see. I do like how he called me honourable in the peace thing. Usually it's like, you terrible scum or something like that. You really want to get a McDonald's. Any good steward? Diplomacy people. Grant a landed title. That is a county good, yeah. And grant another landed title. Oh yeah, I'm only showing them men. I was going to say, why isn't the Joan of Arc wannabe there? Armenia, I do have a link into your family, don't I? Not with you. Not with you. Not with you. Not with you. Any of you unmarried? Or unbetrothed? No. Damn it. We need a way into Armenia. It's actually grown. I was expecting it to die. Ooh, Jerusalem's revolting. Declare war. Holy war for Jerusalem. For some reason, I can't see the Abbasids helping them. Of course, you'll honour your obligation. So this might be how we get Jerusalem, guys. Yeah, that was a larger army than I expected to find by accident. Oh, they did join in. How can they, though? Surely they're at war with these guys. Oh, we took over the siege, which is good because it was in a reasonable state. But just keep quicking it. Get off the screen. Pause. You offer peace. Sounds good to me. And we just got ourselves Jerusalem. Give away some stuff. I can't say what. Let's give Jerusalem to a very military-minded man. Anyone with like 20 still? No. So it's high stewardship then. And you... Grant a landed title, City of Acre. Has that sorted out retinues anymore? It has. And it hasn't. We can't actually fit any more in. Oh crap, childs are lacking guardians? Educate the child. Myself, of course. Myself. Everyone else, I'm happy just to be educated who they suggest. Educate. I almost sort of wish that if you didn't educate them to start with, they'd just educate them, you know, it would automatically do it. Titles can be usurped. New important decision, hold a grand tournament, title loss and succession. Why am I going to lose the Kingdom of Sicily? What's its laws? Agnatic, cognatic, primogenitor. Oh, but the born in the purple doesn't count. Yeah, my son who wasn't born in the purple is going to become the King of Sicily. Who are you betrothed to? The Princess of Italy? I can't kill you. No valid plots. Oh, that's annoying. I thought the Born in the Purple would have gone under the kingdom for the kingdom titles as well. Anyway, I can just Holy War for Alexandria. Go for it right now. How many troops? 11,000. I'd actually have to raise up my proper army. Like my full army. Five and 12. Well, we can do it. He has his own mercs, though, as well. Which is really setting up my sons for a fail, though. Inviting the Lionheart again. Raise up the everything. And I'm not going to spend as much time microing you all. Meet up there, please. You guys are meeting up there. You can stand down. I'm gonna run the risk with these guys and send them in to start with. A renewed jihad, the holy city of Jerusalem. Oh, lovely. Disturbing news. The Belarus Order, the Sufit. Okay, they've got holy orders now. God be praised, we've managed to get to Jerusalem back under our control. Where are the Mamluks? Come down here. They're most likely going to be in the capital. Just double checking you are fabricating claims on Rome. Good. Let's siege out his capital first. It's actually reasonably weak. I'm not sure I needed to raise this huge army that I just planned. Did anyone else join? No. I might have got away with just the Varangian Guard again. Now let's go for somewhere in the actual territory. You knew there was a downside to taking Jerusalem, you just couldn't quite put your finger on it. Of course we will accept the challenge. We are not going to allow this Duke to, his challenges to go unaccepted. We beat him! Yaha! Has the habit for wild parties. At 13, he's got a habit for wild parties. Well, lustful and charitable are both quite good. Can I get both, please? He got lustful, it's fine. We'll have plenty of kids. Make an example of them, of course. They better not use it. Other people get claims. Why haven't I got a claim yet? Okay, there's his scary army. 9,000 on the 29th. We can get out. You guys start heading down here. And you head up. No, that way, because I know you can get out that way, thank you. Let her rot. You're taking attrition. He's of legal age, so we can get a marriage with the Kingdom of Italy. So I might be able to make the King of Sicily... Well, his wife is going to have a claim on the Kingdom of Italy, which I could press. And then my grandchild, who won't be me, could, like, for what basically was able to be form the Empire of Italia. Well, that's one way of getting that half of the Empire into us, I guess. Oh, that means I can call you in. You don't want to, though. Unlanded son. I'll sort that out next. Ah, he's chasing us. Come on. Come at me, bro. Who's controlling this army? Put you on the flank, and you on the other side. Come on, come at me, bro. Oh, you changed your mind? I wonder why you changed your mind. Come on. Excellent. I really expected that to be the end of the war, to be honest. Chase him down. All of you, please. Oh, some of you are still arriving. Yeah, you're willing to make peace? I accept. Get as close into our land as you can do. Then I'll be standing the majority of you down. See, so I don't want to give my son too much land. In fact, because he's going to become... When I die, he's going to get the Kingdom of Sicily. So for the time being, let's just give him a little barony. The unlanded son thing will go away, and I'll deal with the rest as I normally would. It's so fun to be able to use Holy Wars. Got to give land away, though. Find a character. No ruler. Whoa, he's got a wolf for a head. You can have the County of Alexandria itself. Grant landed title. One that we actually fought over. Include lower. think this is the last one I need to give away. There we go. I hope everyone needs to get back into the land of one way or another. Oh, for Christ's sake, why'd you have to die? Who are you? Your wife's in prison, and you're dead. Oh no, he's inherited some land. So is he dead? Oh yeah, he is dead. It's fine, just click on no again, find a new guy. Yeah, that's the right one. Include lower. Go away. Come on, guys. Get back into our land so I can stand you down. Gods be praised. Everyone's in our land. Stand down them. Stand down mine. That just leaves us with our retinue of the Patriarch again. Sorry, the Varangian Guard again. Just going to raise up a little bit more again. Quit saying again. What's happened here? You broke free? Now, we didn't actually go to war with the Abbasids, did we? I don't believe I have a truce with them. So we could go for Galilee and connect our lands up. Yeah, let's do that. Although, how many troops can you raise? 10,000. There could be a problem, shouldn't be. Italy doesn't care. You do. Italy, you're a douche. Mend the Great Schism. We're only one away, so Prince Bishop we need to deal with. Oh, and everybody's joined. So we might actually need to raise the troops. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as always, I'd like to thank you for watching. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to say goodbye. Goodbye.